Today I have pumpkin spice pancakes with maple cranberry sauce. Welcome back. Today I have something that's very delicious that complements each other so well for this holiday season. And I came up with this. I was just sitting down one day and I was thinking about pumpkin pie. And you know, pumpkin pie topped with cranberry sauce is amazing. So why not make pumpkin spice pancakes with maple cranberry sauce? As you can see right here, goes perfect together. Now get our dry ingredients, combine them all right there. Once everything is there, you're gonna whisk it together. Alright, after we whisk that together, we're gonna set that aside and we're gonna get our wet ingredients together. Alright, now we're gonna add the remaining wet ingredients. Just a note from before, from what you saw with the cranberry sauce. I used the frozen cranberry sauce because at the time it was hard to find fresh cranberries. So you can use fresh cranberries or you can use frozen cranberries. Whatever you can find in the store. It depends on what time of the year it is as well. Alright, now I'm mixing the pancake batter together and my butter is already melted. Got a 1/4 cup measuring. I dip the batter in. I cook both sides until they're brown. Got a stack right there, and I'm stacking up the maple cranberries sauce on there, and then of course you had to have the drip, the syrup to go on top of there. Just so good. Now we got some more extra credit here. All right, gonna have mini pancakes. What are you gonna make with these mini pancakes, you say? Just gotta wait and see. I'm gonna surprise you. Alright, same thing here. And now I have this spicy pork sausage that goes well with this really sweet pancake. Oh man, so you know, I try to make everything uniform. So you saw the pancakes, so I use the same round thing to make the pancakes. I'm trying to use the sausage to match the pancakes that I just made, so they're kind of the same size. Alright, of course we got to have bacon. Now make it to your desired crispiness. I like mine crispy, as you will see when I flip them over. And once they're done, you go ahead and remove them from the heat. And now one more thing, the eggs. Same thing here. Try to make them round, the same size as the pancakes that I made earlier. Alright, and when that's done cooking, you take the round things off and you want to go ahead and flip them over real quick. And then we are making pancake sandwiches, aka McGriddle. But since I'm making it, I think I'm gonna call it a sage griddle. Alright, you go ahead and make your sandwiches like that, and you have your little dip in syrup ready to go. And of course, you know, I gotta take a bite at a crime. Pumpkin spice breakfast sandwich. And cut it, just look at the inside. Oh my god. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Of course, I got more content coming for you. Have a great day.